Thank you, Master Tomasi and all other teachers. I want to acknowledge my friend, Mr. Nick Naidu, and his good wife, Rachel Naidu. And it's such a pleasure to see all of you students and parents. When Nick told me about this learning management system and what you teachers and parents were trying to do, I was very excited. Because in the 21st century, the learning management, learning systems, teaching and learning has become very challenging. It has become very challenging not only in terms of new ideas, innovations, but also in the digital world, in the fast-changing ecosystem, fast-changing challenges within the digital system, including the rapid development of AI technology. The challenges present something very new to all of us as parents, as teachers, and those involved in the education system as a whole. The coalition government is very mindful of the challenges confronting our children, our teachers, and our education system at the present time in the country. In that respect, we have, since coming into government, not only increased the budgetary allocation for the whole of Education Ministry, but we have provided new initiatives such as the back to school support. We have moved away from a loan scheme scholarship to a merit-based scholarship because we feel that these changes are necessary. The government has already announced an education commission, and the job of the education commission is to look at the changes, the challenges, the curriculum, and all other aspects of our educational development in this country. And we look forward to that report and the recommendations that will be made by the Commission to support and to change and reform our education system. Today I am extremely pleased that I am part of this recognition of a new learning management system that you have started on a small scale. And again, as Tomasi pointed out, the role and contribution of our diaspora, our people who have left Fiji and are living in other countries, but Fiji remains their home. It remains in their heart and minds, and many of them are looking for opportunities to give back to the country, to the children, to their families. And again, I want to acknowledge Nick and Rachel for being part of that goal and vision to help our children. As a government, we will support these new initiatives that complement that support the children's education beyond just the schools. And I've always said this, that in the school, teachers try very hard within the curriculum. You learn maths, you learn English, you learn your vernacular languages, Hindi and ETOK, science, social science, but a lot of other ingredients to successful overall education must involve the parents and support from outside as well. And as Master Tomasi said, the challenges in the school system and the challenges that teachers face in making sure that students get the appropriate support is important, but it will also be helped by complementing those efforts in the school setting to additional support such as the learning management system that you are providing to these students. And as you said, you are trying to identify the performance, the learning abilities, and tailor-make programs, and more successfully online programs to teach our students. I think that is absolutely commendable, and I want to take this opportunity to thank people like yourselves and all the teachers and the parents who are involved in this program. One of the most difficult issues that we are facing as a country right now is the scourge of drugs that has engulfed many of our children, young as well as adults. And I want to make this point today on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, who is himself determined to bring this spread of drugs, which was neglected for many, many years, to a situation where we make sure that our children, our young people are not affected. Drug is a menace, it's a scourge, it's a threat to you children, it's a threat to your parents, a threat to your families, it's a threat to our society and our country. It is something that we must all reject. We must all work very hard to ensure that no one, none of our young people, none of our children are exposed to them. And when I look at all of you, young people, boys and girls, your smiles, your attention, and your eagerness to be part of the learning management system, to improve your abilities in every subject that you do. And so I want to congratulate all of you. I want to thank all of you for being part of this learning management system that people like Tomasi, Mr. Naidu, Rachel, and many other teachers and parents who are involved in it. Once again, I want to say that we will look at how we as a government can support some of these new initiatives for our children to complement, to support the efforts that teachers and parents put into the school system. I'm extremely delighted to be here and pleased to be part of this very innovative, thoughtful way of supplementing and supporting our students to improve both the quality of learning and teaching and enhancing your ability to do better in your schools, in your subject areas. So once again, congratulations to the teachers, parents, and all of you students. And thank you very much.
Go be